Screenshot in iOS 18 made easy. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot effortlessly on iOS 18, so make sure to watch till the end to master this feature. Let's get started. First, identify the content you want to capture on your iPhone screen. For iPhones with Face ID, press the side button and the volume up button simultaneously. For iPhones with a home button, press the home button and the power button together. You'll see a quick flash on the screen confirming that the screenshot has been taken. A thumbnail of the screenshot will appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap the thumbnail to open the screenshot for editing or sharing. Use the editing tools to crop, add text, or highlight areas as needed. When done, tap Done in the top left corner to save it to your Photos app. Or you can tap on the Assistive Touch icon on the screen. The options will be prompted on the screen. Tap on Screenshot, then the quick flash will appear on the screen, and screenshot will be taken. Screenshot are saved in the Photos app to the Screenshots album. And that's how simple it is to take a screenshot on iOS 18. With these quick steps, you'll never miss a moment worth saving. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.